N.R.T here, guys. So, been working on the fl250 tank. There's some light. I haven't welded that up yet, but it's what I got done so far. It was melting through, so I had to slow down some. I don't know. No weld. I'm still gonna weld that. Weld that. Weld in that. I mean, it's getting stronger, but I don't know. I'm using 140 with 030. I may look into switching it to 035 flex core. I was told MIG would probably be the way to go because it would make less heat, but I don't want to go get argon, and I really don't want to hook it up. I can hook it up to the machine. To do that, you would hook it up and turn it on, and you would switch it to. Wait, no, it was on MIG right there. So, but yeah, I mean, TIG would probably be the way to go, but that's again argon. So I don't know. I mean, it's the type of project. If it doesn't leak, heck, we fix the tank. If it leaks, it leaks. This is a personal project, not a customer's. I'm very new to welding sheet metal. I'm usually welding thick stuff like that, but thought I mean, it's sturdy. I mean, if I was building a box, it'd be okay, but it's a fuel tank, so I do have sealer, but if I can weld it enough where I don't have to use sealer, that'd be the way to go. So I don't know. No, you can see where I welded. I burnt through right there. I see, but all that, I don't know. I mean, I've already cut this tank apart like 3 or 4 times because of sheet metal, and I'll keep going down, down, down. But I don't know. I mean, if I found a good deal on a used tank, I'd probably buy it. But I don't know. I have an air tank that I might turn into a fuel tank for this thing. But I don't know. That's very frustrating. I mean, I'm a lot further now than I was the last couple times. It's just, I don't know. I need stuff I don't have, basically. I'd probably be done by now if I had a TIG setup. So, because that looks like TIG all right there. Or braced. It could be braced too, but I might try braced. I don't know. But I don't have any oxygen and acetylene right now, so I'd have to go off the little propane and MAC gas, whatever it's called, little torch thing. So, well, it's about 10 o'clock. And turn the welder off. And please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and be trying them out very soon. So yeah, so catch you guys on the next one.